Hey everybody, this is Steve. Welcome to Going Gear. Today we are talking about the Acebeam TK16, and yes, it is made of copper. It kind of reminds me of that teeny little weapon, something like Chirping Cricket or something from Men in Black. Remember that? That's what this reminds me of. It's really teeny, but it packs a big punch. And in fact, in turbo mode, it's 1800 lumens. And I just love that. It's like this little steampunky kind of coolness that you're carrying around. Now, keep in mind, this beautiful copper that it has now is going to change over time. It is going to get that kind of patina that copper does. First, it's going to get a lot browner in color, and eventually it'll start to get it even kind of greenish if you completely left it alone and didn't touch it. But it does polish up if that's your thing. You can polish it with, however you would do that. I don't know. But it's definitely going to change over time, and I know a lot of guys really like that, the way that it kind of ages, and that's pretty sharp. But let's talk about what this thing can do. So in moonlight mode, which is a half a lumen, that's going to go for about 6 days without recharging, which is pretty awesome. But moonlight mode at half a lumen, that's not much light. You might be able to use it to get up and go to the bathroom in the middle of the night, but any sort of, looking for something or a task that, needs your real attention beyond stumbling to the bathroom, you're probably going to want something more like, low mode or medium mode. So low mode, 18 lumens, that's 21 meters. That's going to last for about 12 hours. And medium mode, 100 lumens, 42 meters. That's going to go for about 3 hours. And then high mode is 600 lumens, 108 meters. That's going to last about an hour. And then turbo mode, 1800 lumens. That's 158 meters. You're going to be able to keep that for about 45 minutes before you need to recharge. And then strobe mode, which is 600 lumens, is going to last about an hour. I hope you don't need strobe mode for more than an hour. But anyway, it can do a lot. It is just an incredible little light. I don't know if you can see those LEDs in there, okay? And it's just one button operation. And but let's check this out. See if I can get this open. So, rechargeable battery. And you put the little USB cable right in there and charge it up. And I did that today, and it took about an hour to charge. And I don't know how much of a charge it had already or what, but took about an hour. But here's the cool thing. You can also use a CR123A battery. So you can, let's say you're going to be out there in the woods for a while without the ability to recharge or whatever, or you could keep a pack of CR123As in your glove compartment or whatever, so that you're never without. So it'll run on both pretty easily. Anyway, let's turn it on. Okay, my little light is out. We're going to press this one time and see what we get. Doink. And that is our little moon mode, or ultra low, if you prefer. It has a nice little light. It's really a great low setting. We're going to do a little bit longer push, which takes us up a notch. Nice even light. One more notch. And even brighter. Let's do a double tap. Woo! All right. And there's strobe. Yikes. All right, so there it is, the TK16 from Acebeam. Hard to tell on camera in this little space how much light this is throwing out because of the correction I had to do with the exposure just to be able to see it. So keep that in mind, and we'll do a much more accurate field test with it in our next video about the TK16. But in the meantime, pick one up at goinggear.com.